Last week, we identified 2 Poland China boars responsible for knocking down feeders at Fountain, West Landing Strip, and the Pines. I nicknamed them Forklift and Dozer for their ability to lift and push feeder legs off T-posts. This week, we focus our mission on strategically removing them from the property. These 4 little piglets are highly impressed with Dozer's accomplishment and believe corn makes great bedding material for an afternoon nap. I arrive on site to observe the destruction and bring my galvanized double-stranded 12-gauge barbless wire, which is the time-tested best management practice. We conducted a detailed tensile strength test of all 6 commonly used feeder leg and trap gate fastening devices. This information is only available to Hog Control Academy members. View this week's field tip on the Hog Control Academy YouTube channel. I remove the single-strand wire and replace it with a double-stranded version and never experience another overturned feeder or broken wire. Now that I know which boars are creating my feeder problem, there is no better day than July 4th to begin the Flint River project. I quietly slip into the stand at West Landing Strip 90 minutes before sunset and listen to fireworks in the distance. A large sounder arrives at 2021 shortly after the feeder spins. I observe these 17 pigs feed for 20 minutes. It would be a stupid strategy to just shoot 1 pig and spook 16 from the bait site. My mission tonight is to remove Forklift, Dozer, and any other lone boars, so I may begin trapping sounders tomorrow without any additional testosterone problems. My first target arrives after midnight. I recognize him from earlier intel, and his nickname is Fang because his right tusk is noticeably longer. I'm shooting my backup rifle with an old Pulsar Trail thermoscope which needs the washer replaced on the focus ring. The scope often loses its focus after recoil, but my Pulsar Thermion 2 with laser rangefinder has not arrived yet. I should have knocked down these taller weeds yesterday to ensure my bullet is not deflected. Fang drops in his tracks after the shot. Now I see why his right tusk is so long. The upper canine tooth, the wether, is broken off. Wethers are supposed to rub against the lower cutters, keeping them sharp and worn. But Fang's right wether is gone and his cutter is just growing unchecked. At 2 a.m., a big smile comes on my face when Dozer walks under the feeder. He has caused several $100s of feeder damages during the past month, and I would love to whack him while he's in the act of rooting. Look at him throwing dirt like a bulldozer. Now I just need him to turn sideways. Here we go. That was quite satisfying, and the last feeder old Dozer will ever damage. Forklift arrives at the Pines feeder at 3:45, which is about 400 yards east through a wooded trail. I quietly stalk to his location and arrive in the food plot at 4:21. Forklift left the feeder to check out a hot sow. I wait for my shot and thump him in the head. I have a second target of opportunity, so I take it. Forklift is a big boy, but I did not take the time to weigh him. The second shot was also a red boar, but he is half the size of old Forklift. I get back to the West Landing Strip stand just in time to see a boar lay down in the middle of the food plot. He stands up 30 minutes later at 5:27 and starts walking towards the feeder. Then he turns like he might be leaving the food plot. I know the feeder is 100 yards away, and I estimate the boar at around 175 yards. I put the crosshairs on his shoulder and gently squeeze off around. It was a perfect shot on the shoulder, which takes out both lungs. 20 minutes later, one last boar comes out of the river bottom. He obviously does not like the looks of two dead carcasses under the feeder and makes a U-turn. Luckily, I am ready with a quick shot to put him down. I do not recognize him, but there are at least 200 pigs on camera to begin this project. I accomplished my first mission of removing this property's feeder-destroying boars, Forklift and Dozer. Now I can focus on high-volume trapping and efficiency. Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment and learn more about integrated wild pig control methods. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel to view the entire instructional video series or like our Facebook page. If you have a segment idea or just want to leave us a comment or suggestion, feel free to email us at info@jagerpro.com.